Hello and welcome back to another video. My name's Paul, and on this channel we document our journey of moving from the UK through to Cyprus. This wonderful place where I'm sat right now, which is Mandria Beach, and it's a very short drive from Paphos Airport. It's currently 8:30 in the morning and it's middle of September and it's already about 25 degrees, and that sun is glorious, and that's just one of the reasons why we are moving to Cyprus. There's lots of other benefits, and one of those benefits is what I'm going to talk about today in this video, and that is how we're funding this move in general, okay? Because to live here in Cyprus, you do need to prove an income of 28,800 euros per year as a couple, which is just our experience. Myself, my wife Tamar, we need to prove that income from overseas. And also, to go through immigration, you do need to open a Cypriot bank account and deposit 10,000 euros into that account. So you do need to have some money available. It's not a huge amount, but you do need to have some money available, and you do need to prove an income from overseas in order to get residency over here. But one of the key reasons that we're making this move is because of the tax benefits that we will get from moving our UK business across to Cyprus. And that's because of the type of business that we have. We run a digital-based business. It's an online education platform where we teach business owners how to start, grow, scale their own businesses. These are people typically in the home fragrance industry, because that was our experience, okay? A few years ago, my wife and I, we had a home fragrance business in the UK, which was doing very well indeed. It was quite popular. And in 2024, we sold that business. And now we started a education brand to teach other people how to do the same thing. So it's all digital products based online. So I'm going to break this video down into two sections. Firstly, it's how we're actually funding this move ourselves, okay? And to do that, we have a little bit of savings, okay? So we have some money in stocks and shares, and that accumulates obviously every single day. It's in the S&P 500, so nothing fancy or risky at all. It's just sat in there accumulating some money. We're going to draw a little bit of that out so we can transfer the 10,000 euro into a Cypriot bank account, so that ticks that thing off the immigration checklist so they can see that. And the actual day-to-day living over here and proving our income is going to come from our business. So we pay ourselves every single month. In the UK, it's the minimum you pay before you start paying personal tax, which is about £12,500. I can't remember what it is now, 13,000 a year, something like that. Okay, and then we top it up with dividends. So we need to prove this to the Cypriot immigration. So what we do is we have pay slips and we have dividend vouchers. That proves our income of 28,800 per year, and this is for a couple jointly. So it's not each, it's for both of us. So then that ticks that thing off the list. So that's how we're going to be funding our move and our lifestyle over here. We're going to be continuing to run our digital-based business. I also do a lot of consultancy work with companies in the UK and the USA on email marketing, business management, and also marketing as a whole, actually. So we do that, and our business does roughly, in pounds at the moment, it does roughly £9,000 to £10,000 per month. So nothing crazy there at all, but when that's converted to euro, it's about 11,000 euros per month, which our business has coming in. That is more than enough to draw money from in order to pay ourselves and to fund our lifestyle here. Next up, I want to talk about the tax benefits that we are going to have for moving our UK business across to Cyprus. Now, in order to do this, we need to become a resident here first and become a tax-paying resident. So that's all part of the immigration, which we'll go through. We'll work with an accountant to help us get everything set up as well. But we are going to be very fortunate enough to have the non-dom status, which is when you earn an income from abroad. And so we're not earning any income in Cyprus, and that's key. That's only how this is going to work. And that basically means that for 17 years, we pay 0% tax, 0% tax on all dividend income. I mean, that's astounding, isn't it? That if you're a business owner in the UK, that's going to be music to your ears, isn't it? Because that's where you get stung. On top of that, we will pay over here through our company 12.5% corporation tax. Now I'm told that that is likely to go up to 15% soon, but that's still a lot less than the UK. And of course, if you're paying corporation tax, that means your business is making a profit. So that's a good tax to pay. Nobody minds paying that tax. Now VAT over here is 19%, but this is also quite key for us because we sell digital products and services outside of the EU, because our customers are in the UK, Australia and USA, it means that we pay 0% VAT. So we don't have to, you still have to be VAT registered, but we don't charge VAT and we don't have to pay VAT. So that's another tax that we don't have to pay. Now, we do have to be set up on the YESI system, which is Cyprus's version of the NHS, and that has a social fee for it, all that kind of stuff, through the personal and through business as well. It's like a mix of PAYE and national insurance. So through the business, the tax every month we'll pay is about €700 a month. Personally, okay, and this is based on us paying ourselves an income of €5,000 a month, which is mixed between PAYE and dividends. It's a split there. The maximum tax we're going to be paying on that personally is €60 per month, and that is jointly as well. It's just unreal, isn't it? And then the business tax, like I say, is about $700 to pay ourselves. Then of course you've got your corporation tax, which will save up and accumulate and pay over time. It's just, when you break it down like that, it makes perfect sense to do this move, because not only are we going to benefit from everything that people benefit from over here, the sun, the lifestyle, everything like that, it means that we get to keep more of the money that we make. So, I mean, it's just a no-brainer, isn't it? Now, of course, I understand that not everyone's in that situation where you have a digital-based business and you earn money from outside of the EU. But if you do, even if you don't, okay, even if it's within the EU, it's still worth doing. Absolutely, it's worth doing, because you'll get the non-dom status, it's lower corporation tax, and it's slightly lower VAT. Okay? But if you do have a business where you're selling products and services to outside of the EU, like us, then you don't even have VAT there as well. It's just a no-brainer for me. And that's one of the key reasons why we are moving to Cyprus. Now, if you like this kind of content of me breaking down everything that I'm learning and everything that we're doing and documenting our journey, then please do subscribe to the channel, leave any comments or questions below, and I look forward to speaking to you in the next video. Thank you for watching.